Ephesians 5 verse 25, Husbands, love your wives, just as Christ loved the church and gave himself up for her. Proverbs 18 verse 22, He who finds a wife finds what is good and receives favor from the Lord. Ecclesiastes 4 verses 9 to 10, Two are better than one, because they have a good return for their labor. If either of them falls down, one can help the other up. Colossians 3 verse 14, And over all these virtues put on love, which binds them all together in perfect unity. 1 Corinthians 13 verses 4 to 7, Love is patient, love is kind. It does not envy, it does not boast, it is not proud. It does not dishonor others, it is not self-seeking, it is not easily angered, it keeps no record of wrongs. Love does not delight in evil but rejoices with the truth. It always protects, always trusts, always hopes, always perseveres. Genesis 2 verse 24, That is why a man leaves his father and mother and is united to his wife, and they become one flesh. Mark 10 verse 9, Therefore what God has joined together, let no one separate. 1 Peter 4 verse 8, Above all, love each other deeply, because love covers over a multitude of sins. Song of Solomon 8 verse 7, Many waters cannot quench love, rivers cannot sweep it away. Romans 12 verse 10, Be devoted to one another in love. Honor one another above yourselves. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. God bless you.